Okay, in the last video we talked about a little bit about file I/O. In this video we're going to talk a little bit about what's called the OS module, and that allows you to do some administrative tasks with files and directories. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this, and the first thing you need to do if you're going to use the OS module is to import it. So you would write import OS, and just to make a note, to write a comment in Python you use a £, and then put whatever text you're going to use. So I'm going to be putting some comments in here just explaining what we're doing. So the first one I'm going to say is rename a file. So to do that you say os dot rename, and then you pass the old file name as a text string, and then give it the new file name that you want to use. Okay, so we can also delete files. And so the way you do that is use the remove method. So we would say os.remove, and then pass the name of the file you want to remove. So last time we had a file called hello.txt. So if we wanted to delete it, we would write that command there. Now of course we can create directories. And the way you do that is you say os.mk for make directory, and then give it a name. So it'll put a new subfolder in the current directory that you're in. So let's just say that we want to create a directory called text files. That's what we would write. Now if you want to change directory, you write os.chdr for change directory, and then you give it the path to the new directory. So just say that ours is in the documents folder, text files. Of course it could be anything, so it could be my sports picks, whatever the name of your folder is. Let's see, we can get the current directory that we're in, and the way you do that is you say os.get cwd for current working directory. And the last method we're going to look at is delete a folder or directory. And the way you do that is you say os.rmdir, and then you need to pass the path to the directory. So we'll say my documents, or documents. Just say we're deleting that directory that we changed into before. And that's how you would remove the directory. So you might want to go online and familiarize yourself with more of the methods of the OS module, which are useful for administrative tasks related to files and directories.